So I was thinking about that kid in my college micro class that found out he had gonorrhea in his throat, and I found some old pictures that I find hilarious. And I'll explain a little bit more how we figure out what microbes are without sequencing them. So that is me quite a few years ago now, holding the gonorrhea samples from my classmate's throat. So usually the first thing you do when you have an unknown microbe is you do a gram stain, which will tell you if it's gram-positive or gram-negative. And then you can grow them on all sorts of different agar plates with different materials in them that make them selective and differential. You can see that these strains of bacteria actually change the color of the agar. This one is pretty cool. That streak shows you how different microbes interact with other microbes, and that can give you a hint about what they are. Generally, we use something called a dichotomous key. So here you can see the first thing that we look at is the morphology. And you can actually follow that all the way down to Neisseria gonorrhea. Here's another picture from my early lab days in undergrad. Dr. Castillo, thank you for teaching me microbiology. I'm sorry, I know I was very rambunctious, if you ever see this. And Bryce, I don't know what happened to you, but thank you for tanking me through biochem. That was a hard class.